Just sitting out here with my new bees, my new friends, the lovely ladies, just trying to figure out what's going on. They're trying to let me know they ain't bothering me. I ain't bothering them. I'm minding my own business. I can't switch back from videos. I'm gonna stop this one and start another one. Hey. They're coming in and out. I don't know what they're doing, but I think this one's trying to take off the dead. They come with the package. I'm not sure. She's doing something with it. I ain't figured it out. I think she's taking the dead off. Or he. I'll Google it. Look it up. There's another one, I think, taking off the dead that came with the package. She's working hard. They all didn't survive, but that was a good stand. I didn't have but a handful of dead ones. They've been on the road since Monday. These bees have no interest in me whatsoever. I don't know if they're in the state of shock from being transported, but or maybe the music's calming them down. That's probably it. Y'all have a good evening.